Hello, we are the University of Texas at Arlington Science Ambassadors. My name is Jacob.
I'm Lydia.
And I'm Hector.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And for today's demonstration, we actually have something that you can try at home. All you're going to need is a cup. You're going to get a diaper, cut it open, and take the stuff that's inside the diaper. And then you're also going to get some water. You'll go ahead and pour that in there.
So in today's demonstration, we're going to be talking about polymers. If you may recall from any math or science classes, the prefix poly means many, and a polymer is a sequence of many identical molecules that are bonded together.
A polymer can be man-made or it can be natural. The man-made ones are most commonly seen in plastics, or if you have a polyester shirt, that's a polymer. The natural ones will occur in things like rubber or the cellulose that you see in a plant cell. Now, I think for fun, we should try to put this on somebody's head.
Oh, it's way too late. Okay. Fine.
All right, so let's see what happens when we try to pour it on someone's head.
Okay. We good?
Nothing came out.
Oh, how interesting. Well, that is because the water didn't drench me, as the sodium polyacrylate is the polymer that makes up the crystals that you saw inside the baby diaper. And that sodium polyacrylate is very absorbent because it is hydrophilic. And that hydrophilic aspect makes it so that it attracts water or kind of seeks it out. Whereas if it was hydrophobic, that would mean that it would repel water or definitely try to avoid it. So the sodium polyacrylate is definitely hydrophilic, and it is so hydrophilic that it can actually absorb hundreds of times its weight in that water. And a lot of polymers can do this as well, the ones that are hydrophilic. So the size can actually vary between different polymers. Some polymers can be made of just a few, whereas other polymers can be made of millions. So that size definitely comes into play for all different types of molecules, whether it's proteins or the sugars that are in plant cells like cellulose.
So for a fun twist, when you do this demonstration, try adding a few drops of food coloring to see what happens.
So even though it's 80 degrees outside here in Arlington, Texas, we still have this nice snow inside.
Now this snow is not like the regular snow you guys will see outside if you guys are not living in Texas. And this snow is made from a different form of the sodium polyacrylate. This form is a lot fluffier than the last one. And that is because whenever you first get the sodium polyacrylate that's made for the fake snow, it comes in kind of a fine, almost powder. But once water is added to it, the water gets absorbed into the sodium polyacrylate and swells up to become this fluffy snow that you see before you. Now this happens from a process called osmosis. Osmosis is the process of water moving from one barrier to another, whether it's going in and out of our cells in our body to maintain homeostasis, or to go inside the sodium polyacrylate to make the fluffy snow. Both of these are ways that osmosis is used in the world.
Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. We'll see you in the next one.
Thanks, bye.